Welcome students. Last section of the questions. So for the NCHM JEE 2021. So the first question is, in how many years will a sum of money double itself at 8 1/3 simple interest per annum? So that means the amount is twice of principal. So what will be the simple interest? That will be amount minus principal, right? So it's 2p minus p equal to p. So now we use the formula. So SI is simple interest is PRT by 100. So that means here our SI is P, our principal is also P, or 8 is 8 1/3, right? 8 1/3 means what? 25 by 3. So we have 25 by 3. We'll write in the denominator. So time is not known. 3 into 100. Okay. The P cancels out, and this makes it 4. So 4 will go to the other side. So we'll have t equal to 3 into 4 years. This is 12 years. So in 12 years, at 8 and 1/3%, your amount will be double. Right. Next question. Rate of 8.5%. 8.5% is 17 by 2. A sum of 4,800 will earn how much interest? So this is your principal and years. So SI is principal. Use the formula that we discussed last time. So principal into rate is 17 into 3 by 2 times 100. Zeros will cancel, right? So 2 is 24. Now multiplication is a bit tricky. So 17 4 is 68, carry 6, 408. So that's 17 to 24 done, times 3 now. So this is 1224. So that is the interest that will be earned. Okay, now this part, this is an onion type sum. So root 225 is 15, right? So this section will be 154 plus 15, which is 169. Now the root over that is 13, right? So this bigger section will be 108 plus 13, which is 121. Now square root over that is 11. So the larger section will be root over 10 plus root over 25 plus 11. Now that is 36, right? So you're going to end up with root over 36 is 6. So root over 10 plus 6, that is root over 16, equal to 4 or minus 4. So check the options, whichever will be given, that is the answer. This one, this sum is a very nice one. It looks a bit scary, but it isn't. So you know that root over a by b is just root a by root b. Okay? So that means root 5 by root 4. Now don't write root 4 as root 2. Just root 4 as 2. Just keep it as it is. Minus root 4 by root 5. So take the LCM. That will be root 20. No, just keep it as it is. Don't need to take the LCM. So the LCM will be root 4 times root 5. Right? And this portion will be root 5 times root 5. Just simple fraction addition. And sorry, minus root 4 times root 4. Root 5 times root 5 is 5, right? So 5 minus 4 by root 4 times root 5. So this is 1 by 2 root 5. That is the answer. Now, in the option, you could also have minus 1 by 2 root 5 because we're dealing with square roots. So select whichever is in the option. All right. Next, the length of a rectangle is increased by 10% and its breadth is decreased by 10%. Find the change in area. Now, for this, you consider length and breadth to be same. Now, you might say that, well, that's a square, but every square is also a rectangle. So take the length to be 10 and breadth to be 10. All right. After change, the new length is increased by 10%. So 11, and its breadth is 9. So what was the original area? Original area was 10 times 10, 100. So what is the new area? It's 11 times 9, 99. So what is the change percent? So it's original area minus new area by original area into 100%. Right? So it's 100 minus 99 by 100, and it's 1%. And what is the change? Decrease. That's your answer. All right. The cost of copyright. they they mean carpeting. So carpeting a room with a carpet 75 centimeter wide at 4.5 per meter square. Right. So basically what they mean that the room is 75 centimeter wide. Sorry, the room cannot be. Wait, some data is missing here. So rupees 4.5 per meter square is 810. Okay, let's see. So what is the area of the room then? It's 810 by 4.5. So what is this? 8100. Sorry, the area is 800. Yeah, that's correct. So the area would be 810 by 4.5 meters square, right? Because the total amount is 810 and we have rupees 450 per meter square. That's 8100 by 45. So this is how much? 45, 40. Is it? Let's check the calculations. So 4.5 multiplied by 2, we're gonna get 1620 by 9. Yeah, now it's easy. So 918. Right? So the area of the room is 180 centimeters square. Okay, now the breadth is given. Carpet 75 centimeter. So we have to find the other one. This sum is a bit, data is missing here. So this 180 is meter square. Right, so this is the breadth of the carpet. So I don't know what they are asking here. So I'll just leave it in this question. Just check the question from other sources and see if it makes sense, right? Because data is missing, right? Because you have to have any one of length or breadth to build the area. Anyway, let's check the next question. So the next question says a graph is given with different birth rates, and we have to answer these questions associated with it. So the birth rate of which country is 25% more than that of Bhutan? Okay, so let's check Bhutan's birth rate. It's 16, right? So what's 25% of 16? 25% means 1/4. So it's 4. So which country has 4 more than Bhutan? So that will be 20. So Nepal. So the answer of this question is Nepal. So the birth rate of Pakistan is what percent the birth rate of Nepal? So Pakistan is at 33. Nepal is at 20. So you're going to have 33 by 20 into 100%. 20 will cancel. 5. So answer will be 165%. The birth rate of India is how many times the birth rate of Bhutan? Bhutan was 16, India is 40. Right? So how many times? 40 by 16. This is 2.5. What is the ratio of birth rates of Pakistan to Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka is 15. Pakistan is 33. Okay, so 33 is to 15. Now ratio must be reduced to lowest terms. Right, so this is 11 is to 5. By how much percent is the birth rate of Nepal less than the birth rates of Bangladesh? So Bangladesh is 30, Nepal is 20. So what is the change? It's 30 minus 20. That is 10. Now we are dealing with Nepal, right? How much percent is the birth rate of Nepal less? So it will be 10 by 20 into 100%. So that is 50%. So apart from that one question where some data was missing, this cost of copyright a room with carpet 75 centimeter wide, the breadth of the room, right? Because we have got the area of the room and we know the breadth of the carpet, right? So we can at most calculate the length of the carpet. And 75 centimeter is, that's not realistic for a carpet, right? 75 centimeter is how much? That's like 5 feet. No, that's not realistic. You have to, the carpet should be squarish. Anyway, I'll check this sum, see if somebody has recreated better from memory. Otherwise, this first paper is done. All right. So thank you. I'll see you in the next set B. Bye.